Hey there, friends. It's Miss Kaitlyn. Are you ready to explore a new type of food today? We're going to talk about root veggies. Have you heard of that before? What are roots anyway? Roots are usually the bottom part of a plant. They dig deep down into the soil and they pull up all the nutrients and the water and they help the plant grow healthy and strong. Do you know any root veggies? Root vegetables? That's right. There's beets and radishes, crunchy radishes, sweet potatoes, one of my favorites, and carrots. That's what we're going to talk about today. So the other night I made some carrots for my family for dinner and it was really easy. I just peeled off the outside. It doesn't really have a skin or a peel. I just want to make sure to get all the dusty bits off, I guess. Put it on a pan, sprayed it with a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. What are your favorite spices and seasonings? What's your favorite way to cook carrots? Ooh, garlic, that's my favorite. And then I just added a little bit of agave. It's kind of like honey. You could use honey if you wanted instead. I just wanted a little bit of something sweet so that the carrots would get almost caramelly inside the oven. So I just used, this is a really silly measuring thing. It's actually 1/8 cup. I don't even know why we have it. It's really just 2 tablespoons, and I measured it out and then used that to drizzle it over so that I didn't go too crazy. And then I just set my oven to 400 degrees and let those cook in the oven for about 35 minutes, and there they are. They were sweet and a little crunchy and so yummy. My little guy loved them. My husband thought they were great. Yum, yum, yum. We'll definitely make them again in my house. Do you know how carrots grow? I'm sure you already guessed that since carrots are a root, they grow under the ground. And then when the orange bit starts to poke up out of the soil, you can pick it and you know it's ready and it will be delicious. So where can you find carrots at the grocery store? There's actually a few places that you can find them. You can find it in the fresh produce section. You could find them in the freezer section, in like a frozen vegetable section. Or you could find them in cans, in the canned vegetable section. Lots of ways to get carrots at the store. So where do carrots fit on my plate? Are they a fruit? No, that's right. They're vegetables. You guys knew that. You're so smart. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe out there. Know that I miss you guys so much, and I hope that next school year I'll be able to come visit you. And don't forget to head to mainsnaped.org for more. Bye-bye.